What's good? What's good? What's good, man? We are
Sure.
now
Yep.
live.
Yep.
What's good? We're gonna give it a second. Let everybody, let folks come into the chat. So once everybody come into the chat, go ahead, drop a comment. Let us know who we got. Usually takes a little bit of while. Uh, I'm looking now. I don't even see if it popped up on mine. There we go. We got people coming in now. There you go. There you go. There you go.
Let's go.
There we go. There we go. There we go. What's good? What's good? Shanisha. Shanisha. What's good? KZ, good to see you on here. Yes, yes, we're back. Draker is in the building. What's good, Draker?
Let's get it.
What's good? What's good? What's good? What's good? We'll let everybody get on. So welcome everybody. Welcome to uh late night leverage, man. Late night leverage, our new live futures trading show. Last night was our debut episode. Tonight is episode number 2. And so yeah, before we get into it, got to do the disclaimer. So of course, this is not financial advice. It's not a call out service. So trade at your own risk. This is for edutainment only. So we want to just go ahead and put that out there. But as everybody is tapping in, if y'all don't know who I am, I'm Zay. I got my boy Drez and Quadree with me. And yeah, fellas. So man, to kick it off, how was y'all trading day today, man? How'd y'all end the day based on last night? Whatnot.
Shoot. Slow day, slow day.
Talk about it.
So I made a mistake. I was trading 8 NQs. It blew the account. It's all good. I got a couple more accounts though, but it happens. So pay attention when you trade on your instruments.
Right.
But other than that, the market was slow, but it's all right.
What about you, Dre? How you finish up? You on mute, bro.
Hey, my bad. I said I was green for the day.
Green for the day.
Yeah, it was slow for me though. It was super slow. The only thing that happened good, it was that news that dropped. It was 2 news that dropped today that I like. That I caught the price movement on it. It was the A15 job report and the 10 o'clock ISM. So that's when I found my setup and I was able to take advantage of it.
Got it.
But yeah, it's pretty solid.
Good, man. Yeah, I ended the day down. I tried to take another one last night, got stopped out, and then there I was down, and I was like, today, like you said, it was a slow day, so I scalped a little bit, was able to work my way back. Then once I was down like 450, I was like, that's it. I locked up the account. I was like, I ain't about to make it worse. I was already down.
Facts,
I had to come back a little bit. So yeah, tonight, man, I'm gonna definitely be super patient, man. Got daggone was trying to anticipate a little bit too much and got caught up. So that's what it is, man. Let's see. As far as a market recap, man, let me share my screen. Add that to the stage. So real quick, y'all. So as we are waiting for our setups, just to kind of talk about the market a little bit. So yeah, as you can see, this is what I was talking about last night, y'all, too. This is why I didn't want us to gap up, man, because I knew if we gapped up, well, first of all, last night was some BS, right? But if we gapped up, it's like, all right, we probably can we can't really run with so far with a gap up in front of NFP. So as you see, we got a BS day. So basically SPY was flat. You had the NASDAQ basically flat. The Dow is trash, bro. Down 0.25. You know what I mean? When we look at it from the ES standpoint, yeah, ES was literally down 3.5 points. NQ was positive by 60. So that's a slow day when the NQ only positive by 60. And then you had the Dow down 109. Like you said, Dre, it really wasn't. We had 80. We did get private. We got the private that was 37K, so way low. And then we got ISM services came in under, and then of course you had your boy screaming that he won Agent Orange. he wanted Powell to cut rates. He was screaming he wants to Powell to cut rates.
Yeah.
And that was, I mean, other than that, man, that was pretty much the day. It really wasn't, like you said, it was a slow day. It was pretty much compression. We, as you can see, you know, this is the ES on the 1 hour. So this is where we was last night. Basically no PA. We got a little bit of a pop at about 3 o'clock. And then after that, straight chop city, boy. He was chopping it up, chopping it up. So yeah, so that's pretty much market recap. You know, any of the news that happened to the day. So, fellas, what y'all? Oh no, in the beige book, you're right. What up, Curtis? We got Richard in the building. What's good, Richard? He said, "What's up?" Curtis said, "I got to understand these futures." Well, you're in the right place, brother. Curtis said, "Seems like the market wants 6,000 just hanging around to make sure it can hold by the end of the week." Yeah, I mean, NFP gonna be that decision maker. We're gonna see. I think it wants 6,000 too, but we'll see.
I just went long on gold.
Oh, you went up? Let me put my screen down.
Yeah.
I ain't in it.
My boy not playing today.
Yeah, he in it today. He's seeing it set up.
Okay.
There you go. Talk us through it, Quadree. What you seeing? And Dre, make sure you you got your thing. But I mean, you good for now, but
Okay. So yeah, see my screen?
Yep.
Now I'm using Ninja Trader, so let me actually use TradingView because
oh my boy, you in that gold going.
So
you gone.
Yeah, so what I look for is this what they call a change in state of delivery, which we made a sweep here, and also we got the breaker candle here. So once we close above here,
you on micros?
No, I want to go actual gold. I'm showing actual gold.
Oh, you on the actual gold?
Yeah, this is a bigger account. It's a 300K account.
Okay, I got you.
So usually when I see this move here, we get that close here. I'm in the trade. I'm gonna take it to the 4 standard deviation, that's just one of the extensive targets, and we usually tap out. We usually tap out around there too. So I'll expect to take profit here. And my stop would be at 397, right below the breaker. So usually I go for 2 for 1.
Oh, so you in that now?
Yeah, I might average down on it too. But usually I'm looking for 2 to 1.
Got it.
Hold on.
I'm gonna get these tunes going. Let me know if you in the chat. Tell me if can y'all hear it, fellas? Well, hold on. It's on the. You probably can't hear it now because it's about to go to the next track. I had to get us some better sound.
Yeah,
chat, can y'all hear that?
I'm gonna average down on my joint here. So a gold point. So people don't know. People that's not familiar with gold, a tick on gold is $10. So one whole point on gold is $100.
How much you up already?
Well, I'm in down 0.4. I got in a little late, but it's okay. If it does go down, because I like my entry. I like the setup. I'll just add some more contracts. But just in case if I miss it, I got some skin in the game.
Oh, we got Carl in the building, Dre.
Yeah, what up, Carl?
Costa.
Good, Costa. How you doing, Mr. Costa? Nice to see you. Car in the house. Let's go, baby.
Dre, what you looking at, Dre?
Waiting for 5 minutes to complete. 7:30, and see if we're gonna go get that low and that high of the Asia range. Still waiting for me.
Yeah, same over here, man.
Hmm. Yeah, you gotta be patient.
I think tonight gonna be another slow one though. For real, for real.
Mm,
At least in the equity markets.
yeah.
I don't think it's gonna really offer us much.
Shoot.
Let's see. See how it goes. See, want to push up tonight. Get in front of NFP.
Mm.
Yeah, think about this. What's good, Chanji? My guy. Okay, let's get this cash flow, baby. Let's go. Yeah, Curtis is a minefield every day. We've seen this happen before. This is not nothing new. So yeah, it's good for us futures traders. More volatility into the market.
That's what
That's
you
what
would
it
think,
is.
man. Oh man, we ain't been moving.
I'm saying that
He
news
said, "What
though,
y'all what
with the
y'all think
news.
about having a red folder every day this week?" Actually, that is pretty normal. The first when it's late, when it's like I call it labor market week, but we typically do have red folders every day because you'll have like I'll bring you down, Drake, so you can see everything. I'll put mine up. I ain't in nothing right now, but you during labor market week, you usually have NFP on a Friday. You typically get jolts that Wednesday. You usually have unemployment claims on Thursday, and then every now and then they sprinkle in like the ISM services and stuff. So usually, what I noticed is the first 2 weeks of every month is usually pretty. That's like the macro week, bro. Because the first
Yeah.
week you got NFP, then the following week you usually got inflation data. So
Hmm.
it's like we gotta get through that, and then this month, you got all the red folders this week. You got inflation next week, and then the week after that, it's a short week because it's Juneteenth on that Thursday. That Wednesday is FOMC, and then that Friday is quad witching. And I don't even make quad witching a big deal no more. It's just a normal OPEX. But the fact that it's an options expiration, you know, these first 3 weeks of June gonna be. We'll see what's up.
Yeah, facts.
We'll see what's up. Drake said 1 hour down NQ at support. I would like it to push up. You
Let's
are
get it.
you a dope trader, Dre. That's who you are.
Let's go.
So let's see what happens, man.
How many points you go for, Drake?
King Rel in the building. What's good, Brody?
Let's happen.
Drake said, how many points you usually like to go for? Hey, on another note, while we just watching this stuff progress, we got 1 minute till 7:30, so I'm gonna pause that. But she said 50 points on NQ over a few accounts, Dre.
Dang. Okay.
Yeah,
What?
Costa say
shoot.
no gold. I think Quadree is in a gold trade right now.
Yeah, Quadree.
Yeah, I'm up.
I'll
on.
remove because he actually in the trade. So
Yeah.
there you go. Yeah. Yeah, we about to hit the 7:30, but on another note, chat and then fellas, what y'all think about this NBA Finals, man? Oklahoma City versus the Indiana Pacers. Will it be the lowest viewership NBA finals in what? How many every years? Because I don't think
It
nobody.
might be.
Because last year was a dud with the Celtics and the Mavericks.
But at least they had like Luka and Tatum.
Yeah.
Bruh.
But you know that finals
It's
that
Halliburton and SG. I mean, SGA was the MVP though.
yeah, but SGA, you know, SGA could get like 40 and you don't even know he on the court.
You don't even know, right?
But you know the finals. I'm gonna tell you, I'm a basketball fan, man. I didn't watch the finals with Giannis and the Suns. It was the Suns versus the Bucks. Like that was just like
You said the Bucks when they played who?
the Suns. That was like 20
Oh yeah.
years. I didn't watch that. I ain't
You ain't watch that one?
Nah, bro. I ain't watched that.
No. You didn't like that one, Quadree?
I mean, Giannis, you know, Giannis is the top player, but all he do is dunk. He run people over and dunk.
Mm-hmm.
I like what do you call it? I like flashy players. Like, you know, if Steph was in there, I would watch.
Well, bro, the changing of like Curtis said,
Change
it's a changing of the guard, bro. The only flashy player is Ant.
Yeah, my guy right there.
Ant is the only flashy.
Yeah, fair value. Yeah.
All right, so Quadree working the goal right now. King Rail said 6 game, possibly 7. Who King Rail, who you got? You like the Pacers or you like OKC? I think OKC gonna take it though. I think OKC gonna take it. Oh yeah, Louis said Ja. Yeah, Ja Morant exciting, but he ain't in. I mean, he not in the playoffs. So
Ja. Yeah, Ja gotta figure it out.
King Rail said OKC, but the Pacers sneaky. They are. They definitely is. So for me, y'all know I'm
I am long.
Oh, you long, Dre?
42.25. Let's go.
Dre is long on the NQ. Dre is long on the NQ.
I got 4 on.
You said what?
4.
On the NQ?
Yeah, 4 counts. 300K account.
Oh, okay, big count. Got you.
I do not like how he pierced through that fair value gap.
In the same exact spot again.
See,
No, bring them over here.
All right, Dre.
risking 9 points.
Where is it?
Okay, see,
You see that?
it's coming down to the benches.
No, do that.
Kurt said Pacers wouldn't even be in it if it wasn't for the calf injuries.
Yeah, it seems like the Pacers get lucky every year. The last 2 years.
You said who? The Pacers?
Yep.
I mean, they got a solid squad, bro.
There you go.
Name it.
You don't do that.
Well, I'm about to get stopped out. Name a what am I say? If you look at the beginning of the year, I had OKC and I had the Celtics in the finals. And I'm a Heat fan, so that says a lot.
You say you're a who fan?
I'm a Heat fan. You know, I got the hat on right now. But
Oh, the Heat. That's
Yeah.
right. That's right.
yeah,
So for me, y'all fellas, y'all know I'm on the ES. One thing that I'm looking at tonight is, and this is what caught me up yesterday, is we open with a gap, right? Because this is a daily. So the ES open with a gap. So I gotta be very careful because I know we can flirt with this. I really want to see a clean break and stay below this lower wick. If we could do that, then I'm gonna throw a fib on this. I could see the ES maybe trying to retest like 59.60 tonight. I don't know if it'll happen during Asia, but that's
Mhm.
kind of what I'm waiting on. Kind of waiting on. So it might push back up. If it could push up to this 76, 75, I'll see if I can grab that as an entry.
Order filled.
Who got filled?
No, I just bought 2 more contracts.
Gotcha.
Tree.
Dre, you still in yours? Yeah, we'll watch yours, Dre. Kurt said Nick Coat. Yeah, that's crazy. They fired Tibbs, man. I want to know who they
Yeah,
going
still
to
in.
get. And then Draker said ES has gaps to both sides on the hourly. We may channel. Yeah, we might channel for a while. See, that's the thing about the ES, man. I gotta you gotta be so patient with that, man. Coach said, nice entry on the NQ, Dre.
Yeah,
I'm
thank
about
you, guys.
to look at gold. What gold doing?
It's dropping now. So we close.
You
We
still
close below this.
you still long gold?
Yeah, well, I'm waiting for it. We close below this. We close below the equilibrium. I'm gonna get out my trade. Then I can expect downside.
See, the thing about I'm looking at the micro golds because I don't do the thing, but it got a small little gap, man.
Let's see.
I hate those gaps. Hate those gaps.
Go.
I like them. Draker said scalpers delight. Hell yeah. And
Facts.
then
Thank you all
said,
day.
I have a Draker in a minute. Dre, you still in your long, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna
Same.
pull up Quadree real quick. How you doing over there on the gold?
Down, down, but not
Well,
out.
let's go. We're pushing now. Come
Oh,
on,
that's
baby.
bad. Gold.
Pushing on.
Thank you. We get above
Thank you.
21,744. We should be good.
Hmm.
Hmm.
On another note, Draker said I'm always around. Facts. Let me share something with the people. So while y'all on here for tomorrow, Power Moves. What's up, fellas? He said I got Power Moves said, what's good, fellas? I got clapped earlier today. Hey, bruh. Yeah, I took a nice little 450 loss today, man. So you ain't the only one.
Money game.
Yeah.
But I want
Why
to
you
show
trade? Why he trades? Power
Power
move. Why
Moves.
you
Tell
trade?
us what you trade, bro. Let me pull this up. I'm gonna bring this down real quick. All right, add this to the stage. So a little something I'm gonna show y'all.
Yeah.
What I like to do is I take the gamma levels, family, and with the macro events, and I kind of get a feel for what the dealers are doing. So tomorrow you can see we got unemployment claims, this revised productivity, dealer positioning. So on SPY 595, of course, that's a major call wall. 596 is spot price. 600 is going to be very hard to get through. 590 is the pivot zone. And then if we are, what's that, greater than, enters dealer long gamma. So basically, the key zones resistance is 597.50 to 600. And y'all can see all day SPY just kept bumping his head against 597 the entire day. We got support at 593 to 590. And if we get under 590, we can see 588 to 586. Some notes, just be cautious in the morning. Gamma favors scalps and quick reversion plays. A break above 600 is a low probability. So we're not getting above 6,000 till goddamn Friday if we do. And then volume expansion at 590 failed could be triggered. So just some things to be aware about as far as the gamma exposure goes.
Mm-hmm.
And then Dre, I'm coming back to you on your screen. You still in your lawn, bro? Or you
Yeah.
you can share it. Okay. Power Move said he trades the ES, Dre.
Oh yes, okay. Yeah. That's say area right there. Nah.
Yeah.
I
That's
let
the
that go
that's
a long
that's
time ago.
that's the slow stuff right there.
Yeah.
What dude say
I let-
yesterday? He said ES is weed and the NQ is meth.
Yeah, man. I'm
Said, but looking now, it's a 4-hour gap below in the previous month high above. Looks like consolidation. Yeah, man. I think the ES definitely about to play around a little bit. That's why I don't know if I want to. I gotta be dumb patient.
I caught it.
Cut it
Yeah. My boy Trump talking.
right
Yeah,
now.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh Lord.
Yeah, so that's something I do, guys. Every time I hear Trump speaking, I do not trade. I cut it. Um, I don't because we don't know where he's gonna go.
Right, we
So
don't know what he gonna say.
I wait for that. So
Hold on,
I
I'll take you
follow.
down.
Huh?
Go ahead. I'm putting my screen up.
Yeah, I follow accounts on X that tweet everything he say. So he's tweeting right now. So I'm cautious and I'm waiting for it.
Shit.
Yeah, I took profit, bro. I took $200.
Richard says, Zay, that hood thesis is playing out. Yes, sir. Hey, bro, I told you we was going to 80. Look, we almost there, bro. Shit, I said 80 by this year and 111 by like 27. That shit might get to 111 this year. So hood is definitely, that was one of my
Oh, he tweeting,
top.
bro.
You said he what?
He going in.
Yeah, we
Oh,
go on
there you
his
go. I should have took the short.
No, chill, wait. Let's see.
See, now we below this wick. Let me go to it. I need to go to a 1 hour.
Yeah. Here you go, bro. How gold doing?
Bro, we coming for this.
Well, it's moving up now since he talking.
Who gold?
Well, I mean, I ain't out. Ain't hit my stock yet, so. But I don't like how it's. Don't like how it looked though.
I'll say this: if the market is going down, then gold is probably gonna go up.
Yep. You know what I'm saying? Yep. Yeah, I know that correlation. White House announces foreign national proclamation issued by Trump.
I will say this too, fellas: be careful because wasn't today that deadline for everybody to get their deals over to the United States? Remember, Trump said something about I want to get all the deals by Wednesday.
But I ain't gonna hold you. I don't even think that man worked.
Who, Trump?
Yeah, where his bond, I don't think that man worked.
See, man, my trade, I kind of low key. I would say I probably on the ES. I won't say I missed it. I just didn't take it because I didn't want to trade the open. But when we pushed up, like going to the daily, you know what I'm saying? When it pushed up into this gap and got about right there, that 59.80, that would have been a nice entry for my short to take it back down.
Yeah, bro, that's the crazy thing crazy thing is that's my setup. Right there on that ES taking it that short.
Uh-oh. See, they getting fancy, bro. We about to go to 8 o'clock. Hopefully, I might have to wait till 8.
Now go get in the spike.
Mm-hmm.
Oh shoot.
Ooh. Okay. We pushing.
Ooh, that was ugly.
We're gonna see. We're gonna see. All right, look, we're making our way back up to what's so daily.
Let's go.
I want to see if we can get past here. Do we got any other? I know it went up. Yeah, I might. Let me see. 76. What's that? 59, 76, 75. Hmm.
Come on, baby.
You in a long drive?
No, I'm waiting.
Yeah.
I'm waiting.
Do we got any rare photos tonight, Quadree?
No,
No,
we had medium news at 7:30, so that's about it.
That's about it. Chilling. So I'm keeping my eye on gold. I don't see nothing there. Yo, low key, have y'all noticed that the yields been getting cracked upside the head?
Yeah.
Nobody talking about it. People be talking about stuff when they want to talk about it. When they really need to talk about it.
Right. Yeah, I feel like it's about to be. What Bitcoin doing? That's usually a good little.
That joint been staying stagnant a little bit.
Yeah, I'm hoping that I low key wanted to dip a little bit back under 100 so I can buy a little bit more. Oh, so look, right. So while I don't think we're not in nothing yet. So I gotta show y'all something else real quick. Hold up. Let me show y'all. I had a funny conversation with ChatGPT, yo. I had a crazy look. So okay, let me share this so y'all can see this. So I had a conversation with ChatGPT, right? I was like, I said, like, basically break down the government as if it was a person, right? So here, Dre, I'm gonna have to mute you real quick, but so this is Uncle Sam budget. Let me zoom in. So if they made $100K a year, they spend 20 between Social Security and healthcare. That's damn near half their budget. 23, 22. And you add in defense between Social Security, healthcare, defense. That's more than half. That's 45. That's basically 45 plus 16 is what 61. So 60% of the United States budget is between Social Security, healthcare, and defense, right? Then 10,000 is just interest. Like if you got a credit card, just interest alone, then you can see how much they care about everything else: education, VA, infrastructure, food, science. So the funny thing is, when they always talk about budget cuts and shit, they only try to touch these areas. They never touch what actually could change something.
Yeah.
Right. So then I was like, does the government have any discretionary income after paying its bills? It goes, No, not really. In fact, the U.S. government runs a deficit, meaning it spends more than it earns. So let's break it down. If government were a person, their income, which is tax revenue, is only 100K. Their expenses is 120. So they losing 20 grand. Like you, so basically, Uncle Sam borrowing every year, right? That's how we got to the national debt of 34 trillion.
Yeah.
Why no extra money? Because the most of the government budget is already spoken for. About 70-75% of federal spending is mandatory. Social Security, Medicaid, interest on debt are set by law. The remaining 25 to 30% is discretionary spending, which they approve annually, right? But even the discretionary part is usually funded with borrowed money. Then they said this is why Trump want them interest rates to go down. It say if you made 100K, but your fixed bills were already 110, you're not saving, you're surviving on credit, hoping interest rates don't go up, right? Then it said why it matters, high interest rates, more spent on debt, less money for program, debt grows, future generations pay it back. At some point, it forces tough decisions, cut spending, raise taxes. I think they got to do both, or print money, which can spark inflation.
Yep.
And then it talked about the bonds, because I seen Power Move said that's why bonds are so important. But dog, it don't even matter. It's not enough. Like how is debt? Here it go. How is deficit financed? They sell the bonds, IOUs, but shit, the bonds become part of the national debt, which is above 34 trillion. So yeah, man, it's not a good look, bro, for the future.
Hell no.
I should have took that short too up here at this. It almost came to. I wanted it at 59.76.75, but Dre, you in a trade or Quadree?
Ooh. I'm still at my goal. I'm only down 1 point now. Go for it. Come back.
I should have took that entry. I should have took that. I ain't in nothing. Let's see what you rocking with.
So we keep playing.
See, I don't like how I was about to say I don't like how the ES playing around at this bottom of this zone.
So what I'm looking at, so this is NQ right here.
Mm-hmm.
NQ need to take this low. If NQ I would want is NQ to take this low, and that's to come back up. And if I look at ES almost there too. So I would say ES and NQ most likely had lower first, and then we'll come back up. That's what.
But what time frame is that?
Just a 5 minute.
You got swing.
Yeah, I would like for it to sweep this and come back up. That's why you see gold now hopefully try and make comeback. But
yeah, but you gotta swing low in the 5 minute there.
Yeah. He said, "Let's go NQ to the moon." Yeah, on Friday. I'm telling you, we not breaking 6,000 till Friday, bro. That's why I think, and honestly, I think today is probably gonna be like another little inside day. They might probably favor the downside a little bit, get people bearish, and then Friday, depending on the numbers, they could do it like a crazy face ripper.
Mm-hmm.
Either way, that pre-market move gonna be crazy, yo.
Facts. On Friday?
Huh?
On Friday? Hell yeah.
Yeah, on Friday, that pre-market move gonna be crazy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, every Friday, NFP is lit.
Trump announced a full travel ban on people from 12 countries.
Lord Jesus, man, here he go, bro.
Here we go.
Come on.
Let me go look to see what gold doing. I do trade gold occasionally. Maybe that'll. You know what else? I need to start looking at is oil, bro. Oil actually been getting doing some nice little.
Let me pull up that chart. Come on, don't wait down. I need you to close over. Close over.
We
Come
got
on,
5 minutes. 5 minutes till 8, and then I think we'll see what's up.
Yeah.
Your oil look ugly right now. Ugh.
That's why it's moving though. Shit, I just need some movement. Like, look at this, man. This what I'll be. So this what kills me about the ES, bro. Like 2
5
points,
points.
bro. Like, so that's why, Dre. What I'm about to start like doing what you do a little bit. Where if in Asia, if I need to just probably do more contracts and just be okay with like a 2 or 3 point move. You know what I mean?
For Asia?
Yeah. I
Yeah,
just don't want to. I just don't want to put on that size.
that'll be the
And
equivalent
then,
to 15.
right, if I did like 2 or 3 and go for a 2 or 3 point move,
Yeah.
that's all I need.
Yeah. But Quadree, he knows more AES at this time than me.
Yeah, bro. Three to 4 points, 5 max. If 5 is really a stretch. 3 to 4
Yeah.
points, you get that all the time though.
Exactly.
On that ES.
Like I'm like the range right now is, if I measure high to low, the range so far is 8.75.
All right, flip back to me. I might hit target.
So if I could just get, hold up. All right, I got you. There you go.
Dang, so I said that, I just said, ooh.
Oh, AJ is in the building. What's good, AJ? Listen, we got to get AJ on the futures. We got to. She is
AJ.
a queen. The way AJ scout SPX, I don't know why she's not on futures.
She gotta stop being.
I don't know, AJ. I don't know.
She gotta let go of that XPX. She'll make a killing.
Dog, nah, she can
make a killing on that future side, bro.
She's not gonna let SPX go, but she might just add futures to her.
Well, you can at least trade futures. Listen, you can at least trade futures right now with us. You know what I'm saying? You ain't see market close. Futures over.
Right. You can't do nothing now.
So you might as well get this extra pocket money.
Right.
Yo, we take out this high. Probably you don't want to let this trade go. I'm up 350. You know what? I'm gonna take.
Be disciplined, bro. Be disciplined.
I'm gonna take.
Be disciplined. How many contracts you got? Can you shave?
I have 4. Nah. I don't like shaving. I got
you just take it off?
That was $330. Yeah. That's $330. All right.
You said that's what?
Now because I did that, it's going to Target. It always happens. Every time I try to be like, because I don't want to go break even. I want to make some money. Gotcha. I really want the NQ trade. I'm looking for that. Look, yep, I went to Target. Yo, so Drake can attest to this, bro. You remember I needed 1 point, bro. Last week I needed 1 point, and it took 10 minutes for that 1 point. The minute it got to 1 point, the market dropped like 30 points, bro.
Facts.
Wow.
Yeah, we were on the.
Look. You see how that look? We just wicked.
Yeah, because you know what? We about to go to 8 o'clock. That's why. So you smart. We about to have an hourly switchover.
Yeah, Costa, I'm back in.
Oh, you back in? I'm gonna show you a screen. Oh, my bad. I done took Quadree. What you in a long? You short?
I'm long. Let's see.
Long.
I'm from around here a little bit. I might get smoked, but check it. Let's see. Let's go.
Those are nice little pushback.
Oh, 8 o'clock.
All right.
I'm
8 o'clock.
The other way, 8 o'clock, not here. Up.
Yo, go Willie Savage for that.
Yeah, Casa said, "Hell yeah, perfect timing." Yes, sir. Them hourly switchovers, bruh. As soon as you get a new 1 hour candle, you gotta.
Yeah.
Oh, this is
I
ugly.
think.
But I think I'm gonna take this trade.
Come on. Let's push, baby.
I'm about to take a
Right.
trade of oil.
Yeah, so
Yo,
for me,
You
oil
saying
looks.
oil?
Yeah, oil looks so ugly though, bro.
So you shorting it then?
Nah, I'm gonna go long on it. It just how it looks. It just looks crazy on the chart.
come on. We pushing now. We gotta get a close above 21,744.
With a count on one.
We get a close above 21,744. We should be going up.
I'm gonna go.
That's on NQ.
Yeah.
Order filled.
I'm gonna go 2 contracts on oil. Dang, I did not put a stop on that drink. Oh, there you go. It's way up here.
Can you add? You can add one after though, right?
Ninja trade a little different, so
I got you.
62, 69. See, look at that. 62, 69, 62, 69.
God damn, oh, bruh.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. They don't want to give the move today again, bro.
Yeah, it's about to be it's slim pickings, bruh. But I see the move I want. I just want to see if I can get filled.
Order filled.
Oh, my boy. I'm glad that
Mm. Here we go. Come on.
I'm long oil right now.
Yeah, I'm waiting. Oh. So close. Come on. Come on. Go, family.
What's that? Take
Mm-hmm. Let's go. Let's go push. Push now. Okay, here we go. On top. Here we go. All right. I'm about to hit TP. 15 points right. Boom. TP, baby. Let's go. Shout out to Costa in the house. Let's go, baby. I'm on you. Let's go.
so I got a
You think so?
I'm in
I don't know.
short now on the ES.
Let's get it. We could, but
I took a short
this
on the
mid
ES.
yeah, this mid right here. On Asia, I'll go for 15 points. I don't go for more than that. So, well, 15 to 10 points. So this Asia OU was perfect for me. Now it can keep
Did you
going
already
like
get out
this,
your
man.
trade, Dre?
Yeah.
Oh, you
Yeah, I
still
got
in?
out. No, I got out.
I'm looking for it. If it closed where I
Oh, you
wanted to
got out.
close, if it closed where I wanted to close, I'm gonna take it long on AQ.
Mm-hmm.
5 minutes.
So I managed to get my entry in this little gap. I got my stop above the wick that we
Target
did over
filled.
here. So I'm gonna see
My,
Order
my
this
filled.
oil
15
got
minute
filled.
candle is looking kind of crazy.
Heard me?
What's up?
My oil trade got filled. I mean, it
Let's
hit
go.
Yeah.
TP. All right.
Kim Rel was some explanation of futures breakdown. Say getting busy right now.
Can you get some? He said, "Can someone give me a breakdown on the futures?" What you mean as far as like breakdown
Order filled.
on like what specifically?
Yeah. I how to start, what to do,
I think
where
it's.
to
I
go.
mean,
Yo,
yeah.
what
What's
up,
good,
Mike?
Mike?
I'm long in Q. Um,
You long and cute. Oh,
Bro, y'all feeling bullets like that?
that's how you feel, Quad? Nah, I'm not in nothing right now.
Right? Like y'all.
Or how to start. Well, there's two ways to
Come on, man.
start. You could start with your own money, your own capital, which is the hard way, because you need a lot of capital to start.
Well,
Well,
hold on, Dre. I would say this before you even start with your own capital. Start with paper trading, bro.
oh
Like
yeah,
if you
yeah,
got Trading View, you can do a paper. If you got Trading View, um, you literally can
oh,
go here where it say paper, like this little button down here. You can hit your trade panel. You can do paper trading, and I would say start there, like to get used to. Let's go, baby. Let's go.
yeah.
Uh, I would say
oh.
start there, huh?
No moment. I'm saying look at trade.
Come on, come on, come on. But yeah, King Ray, I would say start there, right? Go to on your Trading View account, start you a get you a paper trading account, and then figure out what instrument you want to trade. And when I mean instrument, basically like the ES, the NQ, gold, whatever, market you want to trade, and just start practicing because the difference is you can see like this stuff, you'll be like 5 points, you down like, well, it depends on what instrument you're on, but you could be down like a couple hundred quick. And you'll be like, that was a small move. That's why you definitely gotta like really be tapped into, you know what I mean,
Yeah.
like lower time frames and stuff like that, because you gotta look at like the ticks versus points, right? Um, Also, King Rail, I know you and the runners, so we got some videos in the archive where me and Dre and Quadree, we did a few like future classes on how to get started. I'll tag you in that class because it's like a document we have. It's a whole class that we did. And you can check that out. And that's really will help get you started. Damn, I should have put my stop down.
Mm. Yeah, bro.
I got us going to 66. If I go to 66 at TP, I'll be 3 for 3. Let's go. Oil running now too.
Hmm.
Dang, oil went to profit quick. All right.
Bro, y'all really about to do me like that?
Where
I
ES
feel
is
like we
at?
wanted to.
Bro, I got it. I got TP at 66, but we can run all the way back to 72 to the highs. Where we opened that. We're not where we opened.
Here, I'll go to you. Here, I'll show yours, Quadri. You long on the ES, right?
I'm long on
I
NQ.
mean, NQ.
Yeah. So you see, I made profit on this. I made
Yeah.
on this trade. So I'm done with oil, so I can just take that away. But I see it's coming back here to the highs. And you can see like these move quick. So like he was talking about 100 points and all that stuff. Like I'm down right now because, but like as quick as I'm down, I just was down $500.
You got
Come on, man. I need to see. I need some more rejection.
Then
Yeah, we about to push. This candle looking crazy, boy.
so it's like
yeah.
showing like
Yeah, we about that minute right now. So
so
21,752. If we
this is the
stay
line.
above there, we could
This the
still
line I
go.
drew. This is my favorite setup here. When I see this and we close above this, this is like pure money. It's like probably hit the trade about 75% of the time. I'm gonna go to 766 is my target.
Mm-hmm.
And then you see like I have ES here.
Yeah.
So we have here, you know this, Dre. This is candle 1, candle 2. This is candle 3, and then I want to see a candle 4.
Yes. Sir. Yeah.
Yes, chain to stand delivery power move. Yep, I love that. That's my favorite setup.
Yeah. I use that, but my way.
Yeah, your way, couple man. I'm telling you, you hold that for
I
a
use
little.
it for my way because this about like everybody understand ICT different.
Yeah,
So
yeah, facts.
you know, um,
Thing is, it works. It works in Asia too. It just takes forever. Power moves.
man,
Yeah, super slow.
Well, and gold and oil this morning. Well, gold and oil ain't take long this tonight, but
so if you could go. Oh, you in the tray? My bad. I was gonna
no,
say.
you could switch. I mean, we just waiting at this point. We watch your ping
Yeah,
pong.
I'll switch.
I was
Here, go
just
ahead,
gonna
Dre. You
say.
got it. Go ahead, Dre. You got it.
The reason why I took profit here was because like this range on Asia for me, I care about the low, the high, and the middle.
Mm-hmm.
So if we don't get like closes above here, the middle, then we open the door to keep going lower and get this low and keep going lower. Um, why I got reason the reason why I got low here down here is because at 7:30 we start attacking. Either we're gonna attack this middle first, and then this high, and in between we got globus open and settlement. What that means is market open, 1800 price. I carry that price the whole day, and settlement that's just this close on the cash account. So some people got different settlement price. I use like I don't really don't matter which one it is. It's as no as I know is the settlement price. So here when we came here, we got with changing sale delivery, right? We got a low right here. That's a swing low, high, lower low, higher high.
Mm-hmm.
So this little tiny price action for me is enough to be change your state of delivery. See how we came? We we never close up below that middle.
Yo, talk that talk. Talk that talk.
So
Yo.
you long there, target right there. Simple.
Talk that talk.
That was my tray. That was my tray. Yes, sir. What up, Costa? And I use a bunch of stuff like all this data that you see in my chart. As things are laying on the way, and I use it for my edge in the market. There's different time frames that I use. Like I use the 4 hour, the 15
Yeah, we
minutes.
come on.
What
I need to
happened?
see a rejection here.
Oh,
I'm watching the ESO. For me, well, no, you still got it. You good? I'll show people what I'm looking at.
So we got
no,
a
you could switch. You could switch. I'm done. I was just showing that. And you don't need much like NQ, Darrell. You still King,
Oh my,
bro. You don't need a lot of points like NQ.
right. So
You
yeah, the
need
end.
mhm.
So ES. Go ahead, Dre.
Not that we cash what I call cash flow, especially Asia time. This is not New York that is moving crazy. Like look at this range, right? And look at this. This is wild city.
Hold on, I gotta
Like New
put you back
York.
up.
Oh,
no, we
There you
got
go. I got you up. Go ahead.
so this is now Asia, right? It's small, cool, calm, and collected. Not like a little. It still move, but not like this. Like look at
Oh
this.
yeah, there
Like
we go.
bah!
That's first off. Come on,
Like
come on,
this
come
is
on.
a move in New York. That's New York session. Like the market open, all of that. It is gonna move ridiculous. So that way you could go for like 50 points, like Drake has said. Yes, you could get 50 points on this type of environment, these hours,
Yes, you can.
these hours. But in Asia, I think I go for 15 points. I'm good with that.
yes, you do.
Right.
Yeah.
What's that say? G2 G2 ZEC. I'm not sure how I should say that, but he said finally a YouTube live futures trading session I could roll with. Keep it going. Yeah, every Tuesday and Wednesday we'll be live, man. Tuesday and Wednesdays, man.
Yo, we got a huge breaker too on the hour higher at like in the 80s.
I need
Yeah.
these goddamn I need these gaps to hold up.
Now look, you got this. This is bearish right here.
Yep.
So this you're gonna have to fight this metal.
That's why my target is 66. That's like halfway to that.
But if you start the move up here, then you can move stop into profit and keep it moving. But if you trade at 5 minute, this is a problem. You're taking the trade up here. Confirmation is here.
Yep.
I'm 10 points in profit already. That's the
That's
difference
why
between the
entries
one.
matter.
Yeah, that's why I work on the 1 minute. Now I don't if you new, I do not suggest you start in the 1 minute trading. Higher time frame
It's gonna be
is
suicide.
goal.
You do that.
Is
Yep.
goal. You follow higher time frame. When you start this game, yeah, it's cool, make money, blah blah blah, yada yada. But this is a lot of work, a lot of nights,
A
a
lot of
lot of
studying,
work.
a lot of back
Yeah,
testing,
yeah, it's
all that.
not. Hmm.
Come on, bro. I need this. I need this little. I need these gaps to be resistance, man.
We holding that man, Quadree, you good.
Yeah, man. I tell you, the hour on the breaker. I mean, that big old um
Yeah.
I feel like we about to do exactly what we did last night,
Yesterday.
where it's gonna be this. Like I'm looking at this 4 hour candle. They're gonna just hold it here. Then probably about that 10 to 2 might get like a little push down.
ooh.
Woo!
Oh,
Ooh.
Well, Quadree, I'll help you. They bring profit. You ain't profit now,
All
boy.
right, we have my
Let's
last
go.
little
I
area.
need 7 more points, bro. I need that, and I'll be done. That's 3 for 3 if I hit this one.
Costa, you still long? Pause.
Pause.
Yeah. Here we go.
Bro, they really about to do me like that. I probably should have got there.
Let's card. I know card. What you got on card? What you got in?
Do you guys use prop firms or self-funded? I use prop. I think we all use prop, right?
Yeah, prop
Yeah, I
money.
use prop.
Use other people's money. Don't use your cash.
Right. Use other people's money.
Yeah. Let's go. Good shit, bro. Yeah, yeah, other people's money. Yeah, you want to start all this with using other people's money.
With my money, I'll be on one micro every day.
Yeah.
I'll be making $25 a move.
Mm.
I just don't like how the candles look during Asia. They look mad creepy. Yo,
Car, you going for distro or you
We
looking at something different?
XPX
Yes, sir.
749 close.
Beautiful car.
Yeah, you went crazy.
What's good, Odianis? Yeah, I took that long, Odianis. I took it right here. I got on 738. I took profit on, HOU. You know me. I don't go crazy.
Be in and out like a thief.
Where's Bomb? Yo, Dre, when I do my heist, bro, I'm bringing you. Where is
So you do your what?
When I do my heist, when we rob somebody, you be in and out. Where's Bomb?
Word up.
In and out. Yeah. Perfect. Oh, let's go. Let's get it. Okay. Don't pouch. Let's go.
I'm up 3 points right now.
Let's go. Yeah.
Oh, hold on. Let me go to you.
Hey, Car, that's Odianis fitness trading and trading. Yo, Quadree, that's my boy from Jersey right there.
Are you from Jersey too? What it do?
Yeah, fitness and trading. He's Dominican like me.
Oh, word. Listen, I know Dre lived like 30 minutes. I ain't seen him yet. I know him for like 2 years. He be high.
Nah, we got it.
I'm always outside.
Nah, I see you young, boy.
Right.
I call it quits.
Man, Dre, like, I got 2 kids, bro.
I mean, you know how it
Dre
is.
said, I got 2 kids, bro.
I ain't trying to get him promo, but y'all know what this is.
I hang it up, bro. I hang the streets. I'm like, chill.
I just need one more boost candle.
Damn, bro. I'm not liking it.
Total, que lo que, man? Where you from, bro? You know that kid? Total? Dre, say?
Yeah, he's been on the live.
He's on the
live.
My guy got a Dominican ass name, Total. What up, my guy? That's straight. You don't know. You gotta be Dominican to have that name. Ain't no way.
Yeah,
also,
I'm getting out of that. They not about to gun me.
I'm trying to get this trade. If it hits, will be on my page. It will be there. Win or loss.
Fact. Yeah.
I can't believe I was trading 8 NQ earlier. That joint was crazy.
Let's go. You see, we got some people making money in the chat. Oh, Washington Heights. Okay.
Yep. Stop to profit. Let's go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, Carl. He be
man. I went ahead and got out of mine. I feel like they about to do me like they did yesterday. ES is pushing up.
These bro, you gonna have to stay up to like midnight. And you gonna catch your old move.
Good
I know
shit.
that's what I'm. That's how. Like we talked about on the thing. I'm gonna have to wait. I'm gonna have to wait till 10 o'clock.
You gotta wait till
I
everybody
see what they
sleep.
about to do, so I'm gonna
You
just
gonna
go
wake up.
ahead.
You gonna wake up. Zay gonna be up
Market.
$2,000. You like, what the
So
heck?
let's bring them back. Let's go. I'm gonna. You got my. Oh, you got Quadree shit. Okay.
Yeah. No, we about to watch him. He about to go to profit, so I'm gonna go ahead.
Yeah.
I got out, bro. I already see what's happening. They about to push this thing. If the NQ pushing, I learned the lesson. If the NQ pushing, that means it's gonna drag the ES.
Let's go.
Every time.
Oh, Deanna?
Well, right now, what's crazy is ES leading.
I got my TP. Let's go, baby. Yeah, I hate TP.
ES leaving right now.
Yeah.
I'm up 365. I'm gonna move break even because I'm not trying to get it.
No. TP or stop out, bro. Come on now. Stop playing.
Yeah, that's how you. I'm blowing a lot of accounts that way. Being sad.
You trust your system, bro. Trust it.
I trust the system, all right. But I'm trying to listen. I hear what you're saying. I'd rather go break even.
Like, lock them profits in.
Yeah,
Man, that was a nice little.
It's break even or TP for me. I'm already up. Already 2 for trades. I'm good if I lose either way.
TP or nothing, bro. That's it. I'm playing with you. Now you're right.
You go listen to that book we read. Right. With that book we read, homie said he hold the trades no matter what.
The best loser wins.
Best loser wins.
Yeah.
I read that book. Crazy. I read that book and did that. I got humble real quick. You do that if you want to. Oh, we just made a break.
Yeah, that book is.
Yeah, we going now. I'm glad I got out.
Shout out to the Washington Heights.
They push right back to those highs like y'all talked about.
I need a loan. Me too, bro. Let's go.
Red candle.
Let's go. Yeah.
74. Okay, I like that. So,
now here they gonna go.
Let's see.
I just need 6 more points, buddies. Come on, man. Don't do me like that. Don't do me like that.
How many points you took? I bet you hit 15 points already.
We about to go on to 8. We about to go on to 8:30.
I'm up 7.
But did it hit 15 on top?
No, yeah.
No. When you got in?
You talking about? You got a nice gap right there. I gotta make that lower.
Yeah. Yeah, Car. That's true too. When you do like real counts, you trade better than buying combines and trying past them. You focus more. You focus more. You take it serious better. Yeah, that's 100%.
Y'all, we might actually gas all. You think y'all think we could gas all day tomorrow?
God, so let me see.
Yeah, pending news. He just talking about
the daily candles. Them we kind of like it's a wick rejection, but the body is weak. We can retrace that easy.
Oh, wait.
Well, I haven't looked.
Hold up, Zay. He has never closed. No.
What?
He has never closed above yearly open. ES, not US 500.
You say it hasn't yearly closed? Let me see.
Yeah.
Like on a daily?
On the daily, yeah.
Yeah, correct. On the day, yeah, on the daily, yeah, you're right. On a daily, it hasn't closed above the
yearly
2024 close yet.
Yeah. NQ did actually. NQ did.
Yeah, NQ did, but
that's the only one though.
Oh,
that's the only one.
Leading. Okay.
Yo, you know what? Yo, with ABG with Broadcom tomorrow, bro.
What they report tomorrow?
Yeah, they do. Broadcom might
After the
go to
bell. But
270.
see, they've been running. It's already at all time high.
Yeah,
I'm like,
I know
ugh.
they could do a cross strike there and sell off.
So Tao,
Exactly.
you
Like they
you
just
trade
gonna take
ICT?
profits. The earnings gonna be good.
Mhm.
Yeah, this I should have looked at the 1 hour.
But he said
This
Total,
1
he
hour
must have took
candle
that. He took
look
that 1 hour breaker short this morning. I should have took that trade. I regret that one.
Yeah, this morning we were live and
Y'all,
we
I'll
were
just
like,
if it wasn't for news, I would have took that 10 times out of 10. We had that 9:45 news and 10 o'clock news.
so you in that trade? Yeah, this morning Kyle killed this morning, 6 a.m. trade.
That's nothing. I'll be up. Y'all are graveyard workers.
Nah, but
For real.
nice, yo, it's clean, bro. That move is clean, man. Listen, that's the best move in the market that hour, bro.
This man talking like I'm about to hit break even.
Gotcha. Okay. Yeah, he trade ICT. Mhm. Fats. But Quadree going in.
Shoot. If this was the morning time, this trade would have been hit 13 little points.
Bro, you gotta be patient.
Oh no, I am. Shoot. I'm just
Yeah.
saying like
Damn.
this. I
What?
might move my
Yeah, I
stop
knew this little gap down was. This is what I was.
because I like how it's breaking.
Yeah, here we could. Let me see what happens.
Yeah, bullish. I'm gonna put
Let me
my
see. Let me see if I get another trade.
749. Actually, I'm gonna wait 749. You just break.
Yeah, Car.
You
I'll
might
be
be able to
looking
put
for
you
that tomorrow.
What, swipe down and grind up during the London?
747.
Yeah, that's what we did yesterday, and that's what we've been doing. Well, yesterday the difference was we started at the highs.
Yeah. Yep.
When Mondays and Tuesdays we were starting at the lows, so that rip was even ridiculous. Like on Tuesday when 6 a.m. hit, boy, it was gone. Never looked back.
Yeah, I gotta trade that. I mean, I was killing with that. That 6 a.m. I just can't keep getting up.
See, bro, my kids already be up, bro. My kids be up, so I be up.
Yeah.
They
I
wake
gotta.
up
I'm
first thing in the morning.
You want to share my screen so I can show
Right, says
the people?
Yeah, I got you.
I can show the people.
Yep.
All right. So this is 6 a.m., right? 6 a.m. right here.
Dude, I'm not even gonna lie, bro. If you're not trading, bro, just do a replay so you can make it bigger. No Diddy.
Back. So when the market comes here, messed up. My fault.
You pee with sidebar. You pee with TradingView. Did they put that replay button to let people know y'all ain't really trading?
Yeah, but they're like,
So who did that?
TradingView put that replay button there now. I mean that replay in the background so you can let people know y'all faking y'all trades.
Oh, I ain't even sure. I barely use that drink.
No, let's say.
I appreciate you, Costa, for tapping in with us today. Thank you, brother.
I appreciate you.
Yes, sir. So at 6 a.m. we switch. We come and a new 4 hour open, 12 hour open. We knew our every new opens, right? The market either make a high and a low. So we're gonna go for that liquidity at that time. So it was clean that we were far away from everything else. We're gonna get this high first, and then we're gonna see what happens. And if I knew that going in, boom,
Mm-hmm.
market gave it to me right there.
Yo, nice and
So,
short.
but when I'm saying we started from the top, meaning that when New York is opening, we're gonna start above what price is overnight. Like the London and Asia session were below us.
Oh, we go to my screen real quick. I'm about to hit PT, TP.
Target
Oh,
filled.
too late.
Too late.
Oh, I got you, Phil. Well, no, go ahead. Let Dre finish teaching. We heard it in the background.
Yeah.
So you 3 for 3,
So-
Quadree?
3 for 3.
Lock it up, bruh.
Yeah.
Like we talked about.
We started up
Go ahead,
here.
Dre, my bad.
We started up here. So at that time I knew, okay, we took the previous 12 hour high. Let's see what happens. Oh my God. Why hit space again? And then you find all the setup you want, but we're going down, baby. You find breaker, you find fair value gaps, we find favorite tradesman, all the things you can think of. And we kept playing with this and back and forth and back and forth and back and until the news drop. Once the news drop, we induce higher, boom, make everybody think we're going higher. Oh, he's gone. He's leaving. Bah. And you get that drop.
Bro, that breaker, yo, and that yo. If you see that, bro, you know where I would take that trade at too. That
yeah.
I watched that. That hurt my soul.
So then you see, you got that drop. You break structure. Now you know this ICT. This clean lows, clean lows, clean lows. What the market gonna do? Boom, take those clean lows, and then after that, it was grinding higher.
Mm-hmm. And I tell you, and we
But
was on
slow grinding higher. That's
we was
difficult.
remember we was on the shout out to Dre. We was on the phone. We took the loan together. No Diddy took that.
Yeah, facts.
Or did he?
Total, that was not a 9:30. This was 8 o'clock in the morning. 8:15 we had news. So yeah, I trade at 9:30, but a little different. But this is my favorite trade. Time to trade from 6 a.m. to 8:30. Yeah. Yeah.
Bro.
And it was clean move. But that's all I have. Just a little bit of the arsenal.
It's crazy how y'all like how you trade. Like, you in the trade a little earlier than I am, but we see the same thing.
Yeah. I mean, it's fraction, right? Yeah. But different time, different strategy, different statistic.
Don't let me mess it at 6 a.m. Don't let me mess that at 6 a.m.
Sure. Oh, my battery died.
If you want to pay it to my screen, and it just show the entry in the
780s.
The entry in the target.
You said change your battery. Yo, I charged my battery, bro.
Yeah, 8:15. Yeah, we had news today.
You say you need me to go to
Yeah.
your screen, what you call it?
No, I'm saying you can see the target, the entry and the target. Just so this people can see that it's a real trade. You gotta lie.
Mhm.
And I'm trying to pass these big accounts. Not trying to go past. Y'all speak in the future.
Yeah, this is the grind slope higher today, boys.
You think so?
I mean,
Man, we could go.
it's been doing that
I think it
all.
can happen too, bro.
Man,
Look,
we
it
go.
did it. Yes, in
We
New
go.
York. Look,
Won't be
this
surprised
is.
we wake up to 21,800.
Mike, just looking up.
Oh yeah, I got
Hey,
it, Mike.
Mike.
Appreciate it. Oh my god.
Ooh, here we go, baby.
Look now. Oh no! God damn, bro! God, oh shit, that was my short right there. Oh
Yeah.
my god, that was my short.
Let me see.
Come back.
Damn.
Oh my god. That's all I needed right there. Boom. Yep, there it go.
So you see, I dropped that box earlier on NQ.
Oh my god, bro.
Say here.
You say double A's. Nah, bro. It's a cannon. Look, I got the battery. I got another battery too. Don't get it twisted. I got 2 batteries. Oh shit. See?
Dang.
You see, if I would have.
cannon.
Boom. Mm.
Yeah, let me turn my screens off before I do something stupid.
You said for you what?
Do something stupid.
Lock yourself out like we talked about, bro.
Yes, it did.
8:58 by the end of the week. Let me see.
I'm about to put our YouTube on.
Why you like 8:58, bro?
Look for y'all talking about my battery. I got my camera back. I got an extra battery pack.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, NFP boxes. Boy.
8:58 is right here. Well, I know why. Never mind.
I feel like I'm gonna probably I ain't gonna be able to get my short till 10 o'clock probably watch.
10
They about to
o'clock.
push it this 4-hour candle about to push.
Let me look at the ES.
It look all right. It's just that last candle. If you look at the 4-hour on the ES, that last candle when we closed, that shit was strong.
Yeah.
Power moves with some NFP boxes.
Cool. NFP, the NFP
box?
that's the NFP candle. Every NFP candle. I follow that data on my trading. So I take that range and I trade around. I trade around it. So this green box is the NFP box. Let me go to higher time frame. You see right here. This is February, and below is is the one from maybe the January. So I carry that whole range for that daily candle. So right here, this day was
Oh, Red Candles is back. What's good?
oh the bear
He said time
is
to make
right
this market. My
is
bad. Go ahead,
that
Drew.
right here, the February 7th. So that whole range I carry and I put it in all my charts and I trade around it. I have a whole system that I learned from the guy that was here yesterday, random, and all this data is also part of it. Yeah, hope that helps. So what I care about is the high, the low, or the mid of that range, and from there I make decision to trade. Like right now, we under this batch is NFP February. We attacking that low. If we hold here above, then I could say we're gonna continue going up.
Order filled.
Yeah, no doubt, power move.
Which one? Some say? Who just?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay.
that was me.
Word.
I'm I'm uh I'm back. I'm back in my ES short.
Mm, was good.
I ain't mad at it.
Huh?
I ain't mad at it. We at the high.
I would prefer, not even I prefer. It's just I think we can do what we did last night, bro, where they push it and then they sell it down, and then tomorrow, I'm thinking tomorrow is another compression day anyway. If we want to get upside movement for Friday, then I would actually prefer to
Bro.
see us have not like have a down day tomorrow or like an inside day. You know what I mean?
Now, in the
So-
1 minute, this trade look fire. Well, yes, I ain't gonna lie. I would take
there
this
we go.
trade if I was in the 1 minute. You wish you target 3 points, 4 points?
Here, I'll put my screen up.
You done?
Oops, shit.
Going.
Come on, there we go. Yes, let's go. Shit. I'm at my this is my EMA. I really want to go back down to this 59, 76, 75. But I will say if I get back to I don't like how we bouncing off of this.
I mean, I would have took this trade, so I ain't mad at it.
I'm getting out because I'm trying to. Yeah, I don't like how we bouncing off of this moving average right here. I want to see us break that, but right now I'm just trying to get back to break even, so that way I ain't going into. I ain't damn, but it is the short look good though. I probably could have held on to it.
No, I do. I like it. I like it a lot.
Telltale said Zay got to bring P Dub out of retirement. Yeah, for sure. P Dub always welcome, man. P Dub always welcome. Mike said NQ level we gonna hit
740, Mike.
So yeah,
I like it. I like it, Mike.
Man, we about to go back.
Oh, I see you, Mike, dropping levels out here. Let's go, Mike.
We gonna have to get Mike. Yeah. Hey, Red. See, look. As soon as Red Candle show up, my short started working. Hey, Red Candle, I need you here from the beginning, bro.
The Red Candle be on it. Good shit, Carl.
Carl said his runners are stopped out, 150 cash flow on the move, not bad. Good stuff, Carl. Hey, look,
Yes.
I like
Yeah,
it when
Carl
our
B, yeah.
viewers make money, we all make money. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I'm only down
That's a good
$58. I ain't mad at that. I can easily get that back in one trade.
Facts. Yeah, man.
I should have probably stayed in this short because this I know we gonna come back down to
We
this
keep
76,
opinions to
75.
ourselves, but that was a good short, bro. I would take that. I would definitely take that.
There you go, Mike. You
Ah,
see, Mike?
God, look, there it goes, break it down.
My
Yep,
Mike,
that
you
was-
calling price out
It's
here.
about to it would
Bro.
it's look like you said, Quadree, it's about to hit my price.
The minute you take profit, bro,
It actually hit it because
bro.
Look, it hit my
'Cause that's
level and now it's bouncing. So
Yeah.
because that's the equilibrium of
oh
the
my god, this is that was my short.
There you go.
I told you, bro, like I really like this short, bro. I really did.
It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. It's all good. I
I
ain't
was gonna
mad
say
at
that.
it. I ain't mad at it.
But yeah, power moves, the MMXM, yeah, I seen that. It's crazy. There's so many names for this stuff.
What is that, bro? That sounds
What is
crazy.
it? Is this? It's the market structure break. Is that X4 living for trading? His he on YouTube. He fired though. He a fire trader.
Bet.
Damn. Oh my
And
god,
then
bro. They going look at this, man. Come on, bro.
Micro makers.
I had the fire entry.
Yes, you did.
Come on, bounce up a little bit. Let me back in.
Yo, Mike.
That 1 minute was a good trade.
Yeah, that surely was. Yo,
Hey, hey, Dre. How I say his name again? You see, because he is Dominican.
Total. 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 There you go.
Bet.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yes. Total. I had it, bro. I was looking at this. I'm like, that's a nice little reversal candle. Rejection. So I do like to use EMAs. So this is a 21 or hold on, I think so. I got you. Yeah, so the orange line is my 9, and then the white is a 21 EMA, and then my red is a 200. Yeah, they all EMAs. So I use the 9, the 21, and the 200. And then I like just straight up volume gaps too, where no price.
That was a perfect trade on the NQ, bro. I just dropped 20 points.
Well, short.
Yeah. Remember
Yeah,
that
once you
box
took
I showed
profit.
you? Yeah, that was that box I showed you, Quadree. Said this is your system back.
I had that drawn out too. Yeah, that breaker.
That breaker right there, no problem.
Yep.
Okay.
Crazy, bro. It'd be crazy. The algos, man. We the algos for real.
Bro, I think we about to straight. Because when I'm looking at the ES, bro, I really feel like, and I'm gonna go to a main screen for this. So when I'm looking at the ES, yo, I said I'm about to show you. So on the ES, I think we want to test liquidity under here. I think we want to get under 59.68. Like get a nice little swipe under here.
And let me go to yes.
Bro, that was a perfect trade. I'm mad. I was a trade I needed. I'm mad I didn't get that one.
Yeah.
Oh, you 3 for 3. No need. You look, man. You all right, bro? Like, listen, we just talked about this earlier.
That's why I ain't trade. That's why I'm just expressing
earlier.
I'm expressing my feelings because I can't trade.
I feel you. I feel you. It's better to talk it out.
Yep.
Let's go. 6 ES on the 59.7. ES on the 59.76.
Yep, I'm about to do this though. I'm about to trade the micros.
Well, that's perfect, bro. We took out that 7.
Oh, come on, don't do that. Don't do that.
We took that 7 We took that 7 p.m.
Feel me, feel me, feel me.
We got that 7 p.m. hour. Swipe that and then, bro. That's beautiful.
Bro, they about to bullshit me, yo.
That's beautiful.
Right.
Order filled.
Bet.
Yeah. For me, yo, Mike.
Order filled.
All right, I'm good. I'm in. I got three micros on the ES.
Oh, my boy, busy out here. Let's go.
Cause if it hit my target, then I know I'll be good. Plus, I can let it run overnight. In case it don't hit during Asia, and then I could put my stop where it's gonna have to do a crazy move to come get me, and I'm like, bet I will take an L if they go all the way to 6,000 overnight. I got a better shot at them visiting my low and taking this high out.
I definitely can see that we below. You about to close below this equilibrium.
I think I'm gonna get my move at 9.
Oh yeah, you
or at least I hope.
now you might get that move.
I know hope, but I really want him to come get this candle right here.
You won't get that move. Yep.
Yeah, come get that.
That's good money right there. That's the hour count.
And then if I go to a daily, you said go to an hourly. I got you. This is what an hourly look. Yeah, this is an hourly.
Okay. You got
So
the
if I look- and then
EMS crossing right there, right?
On my one. Yeah, so that's my 9 and 21. And it rejected off of that, so that's bearish. So
yeah, that's good money.
But if it get back above here, then we'll see. But again, like I said, I think I feel like the ES needs to get this liquidity right here, bro.
Well, I'll tell you what. I don't see why it's I don't see a reason right now for it to move up.
Well, I tell you.
So Thao said 59.73 is equal lows coming. Hey, I'll take it. And for me, like you said, it also left a little itty bitty gap at that 73, like you talked about. So come on down, man.
Yeah.
Dre, you in anything? Or are you chilling?
No, just chilling. Yeah.
Chilling.
Yeah, I took my cash flow already. I don't.
He said,
I don't force it.
He said, I made my 200.
Oh no, that's good. That's good.
He ready to do 8,000 tomorrow.
I did 465.
Look, yeah, you made your 500. You ready to make it back to? You ready to make 10,000 tomorrow?
Right.
No, yeah, wilding, bro.
Nah, I'm trying to speak that to existence.
Thanks. Appreciate that, bro.
No, I was thinking.
I mean, market.
We'd be. Once you get the A+ set up, it's over.
I still like this short on the ES, man.
I do too. Yup, just got more confirmation.
Still like this short.
Bearish candle too.
Well, on the short.
Yep.
Yeah. Come on, reject. And like Dre on a 15-minute, you can see I got a bearish cross on my 21 and 9, and they down sloping. And I got my 200 sitting right here at like 59.66. So on a lower time frame, I still like for it. It's right at this low. So I got a few confluences. I'm gonna probably have to let this run all night for real.
When that thing takes profit, it takes your stop away if you're sleeping.
Huh?
To manage on top step.
Say that again.
If you take profit, your order for short goes away.
Yeah. So when he take profit, it closes out everything.
It closed out everything. Okay.
It would take
Yeah, I can't do that on trading.
You say you what?
TradingView don't do that.
Oh, you can't do that on TradingView?
What you mean?
I don't do OCO orders on it. No. You do?
Oh, you just. Oh yeah, I do notice you just let your trades just do whatever. Like you close your trades. Like you trade your close out. Wow, you close your trades out manually.
Yeah.
Oh,
I'm fat. I gotta be.
Did you set your settings like that?
No, I just hit.
Because he scalps so much that he be in and out. He don't really need it. With the way he trades, he really don't need no. He right. The way he trade, he don't even need a
OCO. No.
Yeah.
No, I trade. I got hotkeys. I use hotkeys for my entry.
Oh, yeah, hotkeys. Mm-hmm. Bro, if we get it to 59.90, I'm getting it. That's where I'm gonna play some. I'm not about to play with these niggas.
Hey,
excuse my language.
Let me see. ES below.
See, they playing game. Well, nope. That's that little gap right here. I need them to reject that.
15. If it gets below 59.76.75, you good money. He has so much clean than NQ. But I can't.
You said the ES?
It is so much.
It is, bro. That's why I trade the ES, bro. For me, it's slower. It's clean.
It is, but that move don't hit the same. Right. You see it.
Yeah.
We're going to get Zeta on NQ. We got to get him on there.
Yeah, facts.
I'll tell you this, though. I'll be real with you. If I were to do it, I would do what you do, Quadree. I would just do the micros.
The micros, yep.
Yeah. That's good. Micro pay, bro. They pay.
Oh, I know.
Yeah. They do pay. Oh,
Order filled.
Oh, Quadree getting busy.
No, that ain't me.
No, that was me.
Ooh.
That was me.
You adding contract?
Yeah.
Let me see.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm four in.
Let's go. Oh man. Yeah. At least tonight we had.
This right here was a good move, and then that short was a good move because it looked like this 4-hour candle right here on this side. This is about to be a doji, unless like yesterday, when remember how like towards the end, that's when we finally started to get the move.
Yeah.
Power Move said I trade micros for risk management. You know, honestly, that's probably what I need to start doing during the Asia is just using micros and stacking up. Or actually vice versa. Probably during the cash session, I should just trade the micros. And then overnight I could just do the minis. But
Yeah, I mean, I like the minis during night because the moves ain't as big, but the micros during the day, I rock with that.
I'm cool. I want to make sure. What's this close? This close was 5977. My average is at 5977, so I'm good right there. Come on, man. Reject. Push down. Come on.
It's about to drop.
There we go. There we go. Come on.
Say,
Come on.
let's go.
I need this 4 hour to get back below. For real, I want them to get back below like here. If they get below like 59.74, I'll be happy.
Yo, Quadree, you gotta see gold, bro. Come on now, this shit go on,
Moving,
bro.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. It's at 06. It says 406. I'm tight. I ain't doing nothing.
That joint said it took the high, came lower, took the low, and then spring back up. Like there's no tomorrow.
So gold is going up.
Right, it's at 406, bro.
It's a 4.
If gold pushing, I feel really good about my short.
Yeah, we go pushing, bro.
All right, well, I'm good.
But I'm not even gonna lie. I'm not even gonna lie to you though. I wouldn't even. When I got out was when I would have got out because I don't see my setup. Because we came all the way down at 830. That was nasty.
Gold?
Yeah, that 830. That was a nasty dip. Yeah, I don't even have a.
But your setup is in the 5 minutes, right?
I do the 5 and 3, but even how it is, I wouldn't even like. I don't like how it look. Yeah, that's nasty. Yeah, that's a nasty ripper.
Yeah, gold. Yeah,
that was like now. If I was trading 1 minute, I see my setup.
Yeah, that's what. Yeah,
that's a mean move on a 1 minute.
That's the one I let.
Yeah, that's a mean move on that 1 minute. I ain't even gonna lie. That's perfect too.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, man.
Oh, that's beautiful. We swept.
Gold looks like it's running. Yeah.
We swept at 7 a.m. to 7 p.m.
Yo, Red Candle said the secret to Asia is you can literally DCA your way out of a loss. Facts. I should have did that ish last night, bro. I'm so tight, bro.
Nah, always though. I tried that shit in April.
No, that's yeah. right, Dre. Not always.
That shit did not work, bro. Nah, my guy. Yeah, listen.
Come on, man.
Wow, Dre, that move at that 840. Oh man, that move is
What?
That move on that gold, that is.
Yeah, it was sweet, bro.
That's $900.
You show it here. You can show it, Quadree. I'm about to bring you up, Quadree.
Word.
Where your screen?
Oh wait, did I stop?
You got it. Yeah.
Hold on.
I don't see nothing.
One second.
Damn.
Where's your stream at?
I'll wait.
Oh, I got. I'm looking at a full screen on my full screen.
You ready?
Oh, I got black on my screen. That's what happened.
All right, there you go. I can see it now.
Now I'm just saying this whole move. That's on the 1 minute. This is my move right here that changed the state. Boo boo. That is a $900 move. 9 points. But I would have got out right here. What's crazy is the confluence on that is when I was.
That's gold.
Yep. So I drew this box. It was a break here. Let me tell you. I drew. There's a break here. that I drew when I was that got the trade here, and they went right back.
That's sweet right there. You see that? You see that setup right there? That's, bro. That's amazing.
Amazing, bro, and we missed it,
Look, you got the low, high, lower, low, high, high, but you got the swing low.
bro. Let me turn this off.
Why?
Yeah,
Turn it off.
don't do that to yourself, bro.
Now I'm just saying that move is perfect though. It can't get no better than this. Because even if you look, and we did the hourly real quick, 7 a.m., 7 p.m.
Yeah.
Like we literally swept that low by a couple of points. That previous hour low. That rate
Yeah.
just ran up. Golly.
Yeah.
Oil was pushing too.
That shit dead to me, bro. Oil dead, bro.
You said oil dead.
Yeah,
Same
that shit
setup.
dead to me.
Look, swept the low, previous hour low. Now we headed
When
up.
that I have an alert when it gets above 65. I get okay. I'm back in.
Mhm.
Yeah, this price right here, 60. So unless you're swinging. Go about a drop. Red Candle's only talking about dropping, bro. You only short,
That's
bro.
what he do.
Let me ask you, Red Candle.
That's what he
When you started trading, watch.
do.
Because I used to be the same way.
No, you.
But
So remember
I got
yesterday
my
he
reason.
said. Nah. So remember yesterday he said when it comes to Asia, he like the down moves because they happen faster, versus the upside moves they take forever.
Mhm.
So he only want to see downside movement during Asia.
Okay.
YM gave it set up.
YM?
It's this
Man,
YM tree. This joint tree.
I'm gonna say
Ugly.
it like this, man.
This
F the
tree.
YM, dog.
This
F
tree is
YM.
ugly. This
YM.
tree is ugly, bro.
What YM? What is doing? Nothing.
Yeah, it's
Probably
dropping.
getting smoked. Yeah, I know it's getting dry. It's dropping. It fucking suck.
This is
This guy. Go about a drive. Oh God. Let me see.
Come on,
Here you
bro.
go.
They damn. I need to hurry up, get the 915, dog. I see what they doing.
9:15.
Yeah, man. I need this little next 15-minute candle. So this one
so look. This the previous hour equilibrium right here at 77.5. So you good? You below that? And we wicking off the hour too.
what's that you got on your screen?
This is a yes.
Oh. Yeah,
So
I just want to see this next 15.
So this the hour, right? This the equilibrium with this previous hour.
Mm-hmm.
And we wicking off it, so we don't get that drop.
Yeah, that's why I said I might have to let this one go all night.
Yeah.
Yeah, here we go.
EOS pushing, bro. Okay.
You said what's pushing?
EOS.
Oh, you be watching the future market on the yields?
Yeah. Hell yeah.
He said, hell yeah. Yeah, y'all know I'm looking at my cheat code too, which is the US 500, and it looks like it wants to come down.
Let's see.
Mike said I need that NQ to drop.
Mike, you short? Okay, Mike. Yo, Mike short.
It looks
Yo, Mike short. Let's go. He called 740. and we right
21
there.
740. Come on. We're gonna have to get Mike on here one night then.
Yeah, Mike, come on, Mike, stop playing, man.
We're gonna have to get Mike on here, dog.
Like with the blicky.
It
Let's
might
go,
be
Mike.
might,
Let's
might
go.
be high. Might be high. Gotta get
Yeah,
my
Might be,
show.
might be high. He always high.
Oh, there we
Mike,
go.
you high right now?
Come on, I need to see rejection right here.
Get lit, shit. We need you in Jersey, Mike. When you coming up here? Quadree gonna show you around. You be out there.
For real, for real.
You know how we do, Mike.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. I need this, or this is why I say I wanted another 15, because like you said, Quadri, it's rejecting off of this. So I want to. You had this big down red candle. Then if I take the bibs, we push right up to the 50% of this candle, reject it. So that target is 59.74.25. Perfect. Come on down that way, buddy.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, man. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to sit in this shit all night, dog. See, this be the thing. If I'm gonna sit in the trade like this, bro, this is why I be tempted to add more contracts. Like, make it worth my while, bro.
Hey,
I mean, we're seeing in favor. I mean, we haven't had a down night in a minute.
you said we haven't had
That
a
little
down.
wake up off of there, man.
Well, I did. How to say it? We haven't had. I like this trade.
I feel like this might be my. If it go back up here, I might see if I can add one more, and then I'll be done. Come on, go up a little bit more. I'll add one more. What's that level going to be? I'm in at, I say 7725. Was that high? Yeah, 7725. There you go. Come on. Mike, you might not even need no mic. You probably could use your computer thing, your computer mic.
That's what I'm using. I don't have no mic. I got the old HP.
See? Look, perfect.
Got the HP pumping.
That's all you need.
Come on.
Bro, this little
Slow
candle,
grind.
dog. It is, bro. You know what else I'm seeing too, Dre? I'm gonna have to go
What?
to. I'm gonna switch over here real quick.
We
I'm
dropping
about to
now.
show you. You know, we are.
Slowly.
So the US 500. Yeah, I'm gonna go to what's this? I think I'm on a 1 hour.
Mm-hmm.
So we sitting right on last night's midnight candle.
I see you.
Right here.
Uh-huh.
We need to
What?
really get under this.
What's that open of that midnight price?
So if you the open, so mind you, this is the US 500. So that open was 5967.6. So we under it, but I would feel better if we break the low of it. Yeah, not by much though. But if we break the low, which is 5965.9, then I feel real good. We gonna come in test this wick here.
Yo, Pete, look how quick now golden dropped crazy already.
You said gold drop?
dropping?
Oh, Red Candles called it. He said it was about to drop.
Red Candle give the signal, bro. Let's see. Right.
Dang.
There we go.
Hell yeah. He called that shit.
Come on, motherfucker. Wow. Come on, man. Stop wicking.
Previous day 9 a.m. Nah.
I knew I should have added. I should have added one more, bruh. It's all good. I didn't want to go too crazy, but
nah, Vincent. I don't think previous day 9 o'clock candle. No.
Mike said he good now. He got his
Yo,
money.
Mike, you called this, Mike. Come on, Mike. Look, 740 right here, Mike.
Mike said I got my points. I'm Gucci.
Hey,
Let's go, Mike.
You know he talking trash too.
Why? He short.
He about to hit it. He gonna hit us. He about to hit us in the chat in the Discord. Shout out to the runners.
Shout out.
He like,
Good shit, Mike.
He called it and walked away like he was Dame Lillard.
Tell him, Mike. Faith don't like. Tell him, Mike.
Bro, listen, bro. Real talk. This the same thing that happened to us
last night.
Yeah,
for sure.
Same thing that happened to us last night.
Here we go. You're gonna get that profit. I used to came back to take my profit. Good shit, right
now. I need us to get down. Come on. I need a little bit more.
Dang, that was crazy.
What is one day?
That short was a really good short. I did take the long, but that short was an amazing short.
Yeah. Yeah. Too bad. For me, I secured my bag early. I didn't want to mess around.
No.
Yeah.
Bro, we about to come on. We could take this wick out, bro. This shit weak as a bitch.
Yeah. Now, Vincent, where is it? Midnight.
Oh my! Keep down.
Let's go, Car. All right, Mike. I'll see you tomorrow in the chat, bro. Have a good night. Vincent, I do carry this level with me. Midnight from previous session. That level I do carry. So the new midnight it will replace this midnight from yesterday. From last night. So I do keep that one on my chart. But it's far away now, so looking for a push down to 730. Ooh. Yes, hell yeah. Yeah, Car. We're gonna go short. Asia short.
Hold on, I'm gonna pull your screen up because y'all talking about the NQ. So
oh,
there you go.
Oh, I'm my bad. I thought it was...
No, you good. Just so Vincent, people can kind of
this midnight price I do carry to the previous day. So the new midnight's gonna replace it. And yeah, Car, this short looking fire. You're gonna get the Asia short. And we got distro. So you good.
We did drop below that midnight.
You good? We got what? What we got? 48, 45. Ooh. I mean, I don't know if we're gonna get there, but we got dang 21,675. Hmm. Okay. Let's see what happens. There you go, Car. You sure
Damn, man.
still playing?
Hmm.
You're sure? You're sure it's going? No.
No, it's still going. I'm just mad I didn't add one when I said I should have.
Oh, all right, good.
See, look, Zay, you on the same boat.
Let's go, baby.
Huh?
Let's go.
See,
There
for the
you
same
go.
way. See?
Oh,
Let's
okay.
go, baby.
That's what I was looking
Hey,
for.
good shit, Car. Let's go right there, boy. Zay, me and Car be trading in the morning together.
For word.
Yeah, we train at 6 a.m. So
All right, 6 a.m. boys.
mm-hmm. Take the night. Oh nah, damn. Car.
See,
Come on, man.
this point of interest on the ES is it's gonna be that's gonna be hard to get through.
I don't want a 1 week wonder. What? Oh my god. Let's see.
I know.
One
I
tick
don't
mark.
like that. Come on. I need you to.
One
Come
tick
on.
mark. Come. Keep dropping. I think so too, but I do think so. Right. I don't want that. I want full TP for
Stay
my
below
guy. Come on, baby.
that.
Let's go.
Come on.
Yeah. Let me go look at my. Let me go look at my little cheat code.
This.
Huh?
Damn. No, I'm watching here. This
Yeah,
candle
Oh
hold.
my God.
you see what I see, right, Dre?
Yeah, you see it?
Yep.
Car. This candle got to drop.
Do not.
I don't like how we bouncing here, bro. This is some bull.
What is that?
I think I said I don't like how it won't.
It could
I
be
need
like
it to stay
last
below.
night. It could be like last night where we bounced up and then we finally get the flush. Cause there's a lot of resistance right there right
But the
now.
flush ain't
But
happened till like midnight.
I know that's what I'm saying. So you have to hold on because that I'm telling you, dang. Come on, we need to drop.
We about to go to 9:30, get a new 15 minute. We'll see what's up.
Mm-hmm.
Carl said if it breaks 7:30, we could go for the lows for the night. I like it.
Same thing.
All right, here we go. Come on, give me this. Give me this next 15. All right, I like that it did that. So now this next 15, we should get some. I need to see some follow through. We're gonna push it up.
Yep.
All right, come on. Come on, bro. Bro, I'm down there about to break even, man. Yeah, yo, this about to be an all nighter.
Yeah, you had the whole.
I'm gonna have to hold.
Hmm.
I'm tempted to add one.
Then break.
Breaks, yeah. When I got that flush, I should have fucking got out, but I still like my short though.
Yeah, from a higher time
It's
frames
just
perspective, yeah.
yeah, higher time frame. It's just they just going. This is another slow Asia, you know, compression like we talked about, going back and forth. That damn midnight candle from yesterday is a beast, boy.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, the midnight levels don't play, bro.
Oh, that midnight level from the other night is a beast.
Yeah. Um.
Cartel said SMT, NQ, and ES. That's why the push up. Yeah, and look, we up there. Go rejection. Come on. Hold on, let me. Came right back up to the 9. Hit it again. Rejecting off of it. I do want to see this little gap area get closed. We back below that midnight right here. So we, like you said, Quadree, we might get the flush in the 10 o'clock.
Hmm.
Ray Candle said, "I no, I would say none of us are ICT traders. I mean, we know his concepts, might use a little bit of it, but nah, we not like no,
No.
yeah, no, like no. We're familiar with his concepts though, but
Wait.
I wouldn't say I'm an ICT.
No. Like
I I use his method for entries, and but I'm not an ICT trader. I won't consider myself an ICT trader.
Yeah,
Yeah. Like what I know now, I started doing ICT. Don't get me wrong. Like
yeah,
yeah,
I started
I
doing the
started
silver
there.
bullet.
Like
Yep.
yeah, I started ICT 101 every day, all day.
Ray Candle said, I'm trying. I tried learning and was like, I'm gonna stick with my draw box around high and low and trade between. So Red Candles, I'm with you, bro. Like I wasn't really an ICT trader, but everybody was using his lingo. So I was like, all right, let me go watch, learn it. So I watched it, learned it, just so I could be familiar. But bruh, like it wasn't for me. Like I'm gonna stick to my
Yo,
EMAs, my Fibonacci's, and I know he used some of that stuff, but it ain't for everybody, bruh. So
here we go. Say, I use
I
data.
know
Red
I
Candle. I
should have
use
added.
data.
See again. Hey Dre, when it pushed up, I was like, go ahead and add my number 5, but I didn't add it.
Yeah. So Red Candle. I use
Damn,
data blend in with ICT. If that makes sense.
yeah.
So
True. I mean,
let me see.
well, I probably used some of his methods. I mean, I did. I was on the silver bullet for a while, and realized every day there wasn't a setup for me. Then people were making money,
Mhm.
so I had to switch up, and I started doing data. And then now I just took it back to the basics. Just trade what I see with a little diffractal model.
Dre Daniel talking Spanish to you, bro.
Que volar, that's my guy. Que volar, Sere. Yeah, I teach him a little bit. Yeah, I
Word.
was
Uh
yeah, I was his teacher.
oh, let's go. Come on. Get below this goddamn 794, bro. So Red Candle said I need to learn how to use Fib properly. So I mean, I'll show you how I use it. Like you said go high to low. So I mean, it just all right. So here's what I do, right? Like for first things first would be, oh, I'll go to one main screen here. So like this candle here is I think this was what, Tuesday? Yeah, because yesterday was Wednesday. It's Tuesday. So like you said, I will go to the top of this, go to the low, us push down to this 0.618 or at least this 50% level. So I draw like a box here, right? And but you just gotta keep in mind that that's a daily move that you measuring. Like if you go to say like a weekly, right? You get your weekly levels, you pretty much do the same thing. Right? And then you got your fibs here. So it's you mean you just understand what time frame you on. Like you said, high to low. And I know this is top step, but on my like trading view, I only use 0.618 to 50% and shit, what's the other level? Hold up, let me see. And
7.6.
382. So I don't have this 786. Yeah, I don't have the 786 on my other one. So what price is likely to become? What price is likely to become between those two levels? I use low. So you want the 618 would be first, and then 50%. Like that's. So like if I'm using it now, right on this candle, I wouldn't really. I'm not looking at this, so I want to see the 618. See, sometimes we'll bounce off that. If we bounce off that, that's kind of bullish. If we dip down, you'll see the 50%. And then if this don't hold, that's usually like that transition for a fib where if you break through here, you can see the 382 all the way back down to whatever that low level is. Like to me, I love fibs because it's pretty simple, bro. And it's mathematical. Bro, I need us to break this low.
Hmm. Yes, sir. Red
It's
candles.
probably gonna do it 945.
Data. What data you use, Red Can? Hmm.
Bro, if we could break this damn candle right here, we'd be good.
Definitely old up.
He said, I do like fair value. He said, I go off feelings. Be careful with that, bro. I mean, do what works for you. That's all I always. Well, you know, because on some real shit, it's a thousand ways to skin the cat, bro. And I always tell people when it comes to like technical analysis and stuff, for me, it's really confluence. Like I know people that use EMAs. I know people that use fibs. You know, Dre is a statistical trader, right? Use data. But if we all saying the same thing, it don't matter what you like. Confluence. You know, you just trying to find the path of least resistance. I know people that use trend lines. People use patterns. You got proofing. Hell, one of the methods I like to use is straight up percentages. Like, yo, I'm looking for a 1% move, 2% move. Look at the number and calculate. Okay, if we close at 5,900, what's 1% of that? That's my target. The market moving
Right.
percentages anyway.
True.
Faith don't lie, bro. Power move.
Yeah, yeah. Fibs don't lie. We say that.
No take. Yeah.
Oh, what is they doing, bro? They killing me with this bounce off this 74, bro.
Hmm. It's playing games.
I should have. Yeah, like. But you know what though? This is where if I go look at the higher time frame, I see what they doing.
So for me, like when I mean a statistical, like I look, for instance, I learned that there's certain times in the day that the market's gonna make a high or low. If I know that, and I know that I have a higher probability of the high being made at a certain time, then I trade on the direction that is not that probability, and I could
Mhm.
take the bigger move because I know I have a statistical high put in the market at the time that it's supposed to happen. I'm gonna attack the other side of that range because I know I have a statistical backing me up. That's what I do.
See, man, if I'd have put another contract on, I could have got out, been good for the day, or at least for the night.
Mhm.
Yeah, Red Candles, you just gotta do what works for you, bro. You know,
Yeah.
it's about to be a little doji candle right here, man.
What for the 4 hour?
Yeah, like look at it. They going. I mean, unless at 9:45 we get a push down.
Which is very possible. um, Vincent Jordan.
See, but on a
So
15
high or
minute,
low?
we still ain't. I won't-
I use candle close for that, Vincent. That's what makes
Mhm.
a confirmation. Like when I get a candle close, if I get a wick like this morning, or you sharing say
oh, I got. Hold on, I'll go to you.
like Vincent for
Go ahead, you got
instance.
it, bro.
All right. Um,
All right,
Let me get
15.
when we got a when was it? Uh, let me see. Let me see. Right here, last night, Vincent. This. Let me do replay. This was long, right? But I don't consider that as a long because we never got a body above that. We only got a wick. We never a body close. So that's a wick. That's what defines it for me alone. Or not long. That was not long for me, so I didn't put it for so long. It if that was your question. Yeah. Damn, bro. We playing how many we range what?
Yeah, we
40
ranging
points,
again. So,
41 points.
Hmm.
bro, this is
40
crazy. What you know? What though? That's NFP
and
week for you.
yeah.
You're right. If he did pick an FP week to start,
The hardest week,
The toughest week, facts.
the toughest
Yeah.
week. On top of that, uh, Tuesday and Wednesday, knowing that after Monday you really don't get, but so much good PA.
Yeah.
So listen, next week will probably be a lot better, fam.
A
yeah,
lot of movement, more movement.
We'll probably get a lot more movement next week, Tuesday and Wednesday. A lot better than NFP week for sure.
Yeah.
facts.
Um. Yeah.
Speaking of which, tomorrow might be a range day too.
Dog, it's gonna be, bro. It's gonna be another inside day. Nothing really popping. It's gonna be slow. and then Friday is when we get expansion because that NFP gonna be
Wow. Bam. So
yeah.
Well,
I
look
can't
at my.
wait.
Let me show my. Uh. So if you see my chart, right, every NFP candle is big as hell. Pause. Um. Look at this. That was a $400, $400, 400 points day, 1.91%, 1.91% NFP. Let's see another one. This one is February. This one was a 428 points, 2% day. So Friday is gonna be a 2% day or 1.5 and above. Like it move. So
yeah,
this consolidation days, you see my 15 minutes. We just been consolidating since since Tuesday. Like this is that news. That was the only movement news. But other than that, we've been tight. These boxes are 12-hour candles, so nothing happening. They're not large. They're not big like before. Like this is big. This is ranging. We ranging, consolidating here to then to expand higher. Induce lower to go higher. Same thing. So
Oh man.
before, let me see. Before NFP, we always get these 2 days.
Consolidation.
Yeah, May Friday. So that Friday was here. So look, Zay, you see my chart?
Yeah, we can see it.
So
That's this week.
no, that was last month NFP.
Oh,
May,
okay.
right? We see a Wednesday. Wednesday we were tight right here. Wednesday night,
Mm-hmm.
boom. Thursday, nothing happened. Like a little move. This is only the data that move. Whatever news we
Yeah.
had at 8 o'clock, that was the move. So if tomorrow we got data or no,
Just unemployment claims. That's it.
that's the only move we're gonna get tomorrow, and then it's gonna
I
be done.
know. That's
That's
gonna
it.
be it.
And then Friday, this is where you want to be in the market, catching this move. This move. This is that
Bro,
Friday, and
these niggas, man, you gotta be kidding me, bro.
yeah.
Yeah,
That's
this
just
4 hours.
strong.
Yeah, Doji.
Yes, sir.
Another
Yeah.
freaking Doji, bruh. That's crazy, man. But yo, we coming up on our 10 o'clock cutoff time.
You already know how that goes, eh? You cut the live off. Your move will happen.
I know. That's how I trust. I know. That's how it be. Mike
Right.
said, "Damn, I peeped back in and we bounced." Yeah, I mean, Mike, we just ranging, bro. Like if you look at the 4 hour, it's just a doji, bro. Like ain't nothing really popping.
Mhm.
Um, but yeah, man, we about to wrap it up here. It's pushing 10 o'clock. Um, so another dope session. Quadree, shout out to you, bro. 3 for 3.
Yes, sir.
3 for 3.
Facts.
Dre, did you get in? Did you do anything?
Yeah, I did 465 for the night.
465. Word.
Yeah, one tray only. Well, two
And
trays.
yeah, I was gonna say I did two. I did a short, got stopped out for 100. Then I went back short and knocked it down to 50. So I'm only 50 in the hole. That's not bad. And I got a trade running right now. I'm gonna probably have to let this go all night. So but yeah, man, we will, we about to sign off. We'll catch y'all next Tuesday.
Yes.
Same time, 7:15. Make sure you're, press the like button while y'all for the 30 people we got left. Y'all got anything, fellas, before we sign off?
Dope night. Thank you guys for
Thank
watching.
you for watching. Yep. Thank you.
Yeah,
Yeah,
we did some things today.
you did
Yes.
good,
So
man. You did good.
yeah.
Hold on, let me take you
So
down, Dre. Yeah. And like they said, man, we appreciate y'all tapping in. We'll catch y'all
right.
next Tuesday, 7:15, same time. Hopefully we get some better movement than NFP week.
Yeah.
But yeah, if y'all have any comments or anything like that, go ahead, drop a comment what we could do better or whatever, improve on the live. But hopefully y'all enjoy the teaching moments, y'all enjoy the chill vibes. And until next time, we'll catch y'all later, man.
Yep. Deuce.
Let's go.
Peace.